Good evening everyone, my name is Peo Cado and in this video I am going to present to you my lesson plan in English for grade 9 students. Learning competencies, compose forms of literary writing. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to describe different genres of literary writing, demonstrate their understanding through a group task, create their own poem using Read, Write, Think app, an online dictionary to use archaic words. Subject matter. Topic, literary genres. References, brighthelpeducation.com, homework-help-literature. Materials, laptop and PowerPoint. Procedure, classroom routine. We're going to start with a prayer. Next is greetings and some exercises. Next procedure is the review. We will have a drill. I will ask some students this question. First question is, do you know what are the literary genres? Next, who can explain what is a prose? Can anyone define poetry? Are you familiar with fiction and non-fiction? After that, we're gonna have a motivation. It was called mystery quotation. I will group the class into 7. Next is give each group 2 lines from a poem. And let the students analyze the lines given to them. And I will ask for a representative to give their perception and express it to the class. Now, next procedure is the lesson proper. I will disclose my objectives of the lesson to the class. Lesson proper. I will provide and explain different types of genres. After the discussion is the generalization. Now, I am going to ask some questions to know if my students have understand my discussion. First question, what are the literary genres? Second, explain the difference of fiction and non-fiction. Third is poetry and poem the same? After that, I'm going to have an evaluation and assessment. I have 2 sets. First is a quiz MCQ type. First question is, it is a literature in the form of prose, especially short stories and novels that describe imaginary events and people. First choice, the choices are fiction, B, non-fiction, C, literary genre, D, novel. The answer is A, fiction. Number 2, a form or technique of language that exhibits a natural flow of speech and grammatical structure. Choices are A, drama, B, prose, C, fiction, D, novel, and the answer is D, prose. Number 3, a fictitious prose narrative of book length, typically representing character and action with some degree of realism. Choices are A, poem, B, fiction, C, story, D, novel. The answer is D, novel. Number 4, a story with a fully developed theme but significantly shorter and less elaborate than a novel. Choices are A, novel, B, fiction, C, short story, D, drama. The answer is C, short story. Number 5, literary work in which special intensity is given to the expression of feelings and ideas by the use of distinctive style and rhythm. Poems, collectively or as a genre of literature. Choices are A, drama, B, poetry, C, novel, D, short story. Next, after the quiz, I will have them an assignment. The assignment is, first, write your own poem with the use of Read, Write, Think app to be able to produce a poem with rhyme. Second, you can use online dictionaries to be able to use archaic words properly. Lastly, Your imagination is the limit. Thank you.